Hello and welcome to EStyle Real Estate Property Channel. My name is Kate and we are here to help you buy, sell or rent your property on Costa Blanca. Today, in the middle of February and this gorgeous weather, plus 25 degrees outside, I'm delighted to show you two-bedroom apartment in the fantastic and most desirable area of Punta Prima, Panorama Park. Panorama Park, one of the most attractive residential area in Punta Prima with unique design buildings and the landscape gardens. It's very close to the sea, just a few meters away from the beautiful sandy beaches, top restaurant, famous restaurant Nautilus in Punta Prima, bars, top restaurants with different international cuisine in Punta Marina, our offices, supermarkets, entertainment and the pharmacies. EStyle Real Estate offers many accommodation and this urbanization Panorama Park for rent, long-term or short-term. If you need more details, please contact our office. Second large pool with the children area. This is our block and address to the apartment. We'll take a lift, we can take a stairs. Let's come inside. Welcome to our apartment, very spacious and very bright. On the left-hand side, I've got an open plan kitchen with a nice worktop and newly installed high-quality appliances. The apartment sold fully furnished and ready to move in. This is traditional Spanish style apartment with the red tiles on the floor and a natural wood throughout the apartment. It comes with a tourist license, easy to rent on the short term. Very spacious dining living area with lots of natural light, big windows, amazing view outside and a private entrance to the terrace. Amazing, very good sized terrace for entertaining your guests or enjoying Mediterranean climate all year round. Amazing view outside with lots of greenery and a sea view. Large size master bedroom, lots of natural lights, double fitted wardrobe and also private entrance to the terrace. Through the corridor we also have a family bathroom and the same size, very good size, double bedroom. Today I've shown you two-bedroom apartment with one bathroom and a private terrace in a beautiful residential area, Punta Prima. The communal area comes with the large two swimming pools and a toddler area, botanical gardens, underground parking and a storage space with lots of TV cameras inside. It's very safe and gated community with the security working 24/7. This apartment is available on the market now for 255,000 euros. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and see you in the next tour. Thank you for watching us.